Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss CPA Grip lead generation strategies and how CPA marketing works in a practical and educational way. I will explain how leads are generated and how beginners can understand the CPA Grip platform step by step. This video is strictly for learning and informational purposes only. There are no guaranteed earnings, and results always depend on effort, skills, and proper strategy. So, if you want to understand CPA marketing concept clearly and build your knowledge the right way, make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can visit on CPA Grip platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your email address, password. You can type here your address. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on my offers button. You can select your country. You can select your Australia country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can promote any of the CPA offers. For example, you can click here to open the CPA offer. Here you can see title. Here you can see description. Here you can see accepted country. It's Australia. Here you can see accepted device. It's Apple iOS. Here you can see CPA link. You can insert this CPA link on your website. When user from Australia click on this CPA link using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will install this TikTok application, then CPA Grip may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. Guys, if you do not have website, then don't worry. You can create landing page to promote this CPA offer. Before we begin, I have something special for those who want to take their CPA marketing skills to the next level. I have created a complete guide called Hidden Secrets of CPA Marketing, where I have explained advanced strategy, real examples, proven methods, and practical steps you can start using immediately. If you want a structured roadmap, clear explanations, and techniques that actually work, then this guide will definitely help you improve your CPA marketing journey. You can check it out using the link below anytime. Now let's continue with the tutorial. You can go on bolt.new platform. You can create account on this platform. You can type your prompt. You can type for this kind of simple prompt. Build a best educational website about TikTok. Explain about TikTok app. How can people use TikTok for business, traffic, and more. And add button to install TikTok app. Insert this CPA link on buttons. You can type for this kind of prompt. Now you can paste your CPA link. You can visit on CPA Grip platform. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can go on bolt.new platform. You can paste here that CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip platform. You can copy this text. Now you can go on bolt.new platform. You can paste here that text. Now you can click on build now button. Guys, it will take some time to build a website. You need to wait some time. Here you can see this AI platform has made great website about TikTok. This AI platform has inserted CPA link on this button. When people from Australia click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected to the CPA offers landing page. You can simply click on publish button. Click on publish button. You can publish this website to make it live. Here you can see your site has been successfully published. Here is showing URL of this site. I'm going to change this URL. Click here. Now you can add your new subdomain. You can click on save button. Guys, here is showing URL of this website. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can open that URL in new tab. You can see this website is looking great and attractive. That AI platform has inserted CPA link on this button. When people from Australia click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected to the CPA Offers landing page. When that user will install this TikTok application, then CPAGrip may credit your account with the payout soon for this offer. So friends, this is how CPAGrip works. Using this method, you can generate leads. You can share your website on social media platforms to get visitors. You can share your website on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get users. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.